Hey guys, welcome to Comics with Bueller. As always, I'm Bueller. Today's your preview video for all new comics coming to comic shops and online for October 9th, 2024. I think we got about 180 books this week. A ton of good stuff. Marvel, Image, Dynamite, you name it, we got it. If you're new to our channel, do me a favor, subscribe right now. It does help us out quite a bit. We are doing the claim sale on Thursday, so join us tomorrow at, 6 o'clock Eastern time for the claim sale. I'm in Tennessee right now, and kind of passing through on my way back down to Alabama and then in New Mexico. I'm actually at a Buc-ee's, which is right behind me there. It's really loud, so just kind of walked up into this field to do this intro video. But stick around to the end. I got some other news to talk about as well, and let's not waste any more time. Let's take a look at the books. I'll see you after the video. Okay, off and running with Johnny Quest. Number 3, the A cover and the B cover. He's got Ghost Rider's bike there. Cover C for Johnny Quest, another big book right here. We got the Space Ghost, number 6. Cover A, a lot of people have been enjoying this series. Cover B and cover C. Of course, this is all Dynamite books right here. I spent the week at Dynamite. It was a lot of fun, a lot of good people. D cover, The Terminator, number 1, the A cover. This is probably the big book for them of the week. And a new series with the Terminator with Declan Shelby and Sal from Comic Pop is doing a backup story. So check this out. Looks like it's going to be pretty good. Here is the E cover. The next one is the blank cover. And then we have a retail exclusive. I'm not sure who has that one, but it looks pretty awesome. Deadly Trails, number 2. I'm just showing some Blackbox, some love right here. Devil's Dominion, number 6. These are coming out down the road, but I just want to show them because they look pretty cool. Calabasas, number 1. Not bad. Okay, on the Marvel Amazing Spider-Man, number 59, the main cover. The Carnero variant. The Disney variant. What's that? X-Men 260 or 261, I think. 1 in 25 incentive. The 1 in 100 incentive. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty close, I think. Blade Red Band, number 1, the main cover. I think this was delayed. Gist variant from last week. The Lashley variant. The 1 in 25 incentive cover. And the 1 in 100 incentive cover. The Lee variant. Conquest number 1, 2099, cover A and cover B. Cover C as well. Exceptional X-Men number 2, the main cover. The EXO variant. I'm in a Buc-ee's parking lot in Tennessee right now, filming this video. So if there's some background noise, it is what it is. There's a lot of activity here. Okay, 1 in 50 incentive. Fantastic Four, number 26, the main cover. The Doom variant, we've had a few of those this week. The Klein variant. The Galloway Saturday Morning variant. Marvel Zombies Dawn of Decay, number 2, the main cover. The Gomez variant. The Baldion variant. And the Galloway variant, the Saturday Morning. Phoenix, number 4, main cover. Is this number 4? Yeah, it is. The Doom variant. Seems like this one's coming out pretty fast. The Darbo variant. The 1 in 50 incentive cover. And we have another retail exclusive that looked pretty cool, but wish I had more information on it. Sentinels, number 1, the main cover. The Shades variant. The Wilson variant. Comes with a volleyball. That was dumb. Logo variant. The 1 in 25 incentive cover. The 1 in 100 incentive cover. Spider-Man Black Suit and Blood, number 3, the main cover. The Nguyen variant. The John Boy Myers variant, that's awesome. And the 1 in 100 incentive cover. Star Wars Ahsoka, number 4, the main cover. The Woo variant. Always got to get that in there. The 1 in 10 incentive cover. The 1 in 25 incentive cover. My dog's looking at me. He wants to bark, but I'm like, don't bark. Star Wars Ewoks, number 1, the main cover. The Harvey variant. Ewoks. I always thought Ewoks were just like baby Chewbacca's. Maybe they are. Lopez variant, figure variant. The Ultimates number 5, the main cover. The Shaw variant. The Lee variant. The 1 in 25 incentive cover. Venom number 38, the main cover. This is still part of Venom Wars. The Doom variant. The Del Auto variant. Cool. And the Del Auto 1 in 100 incentive variant. Venom War Wolverine number 2, cover A and cover B. Just 2 covers for this one. X-Force number 4, the main cover. The Crane variant. Clayton Crane, that is. The Ferrara variant. And the 1 in 100 incentive. I think that's it for Marvel. Yep, Geiger number 7, cover A on the Image Comics now. Cover B. Cover C. Lady Books. Number 2, cover A, and cover, I can never pronounce that. Cover B. You guys see it, you know what I'm talking about. Lore Remastered number 3, cover A and cover B for that one. Plastic Death and Dolls number 5. There is another cover, but it's the same cover but different colors. Precious Metal number 5, cover A and cover B. Public Domain number 9. Sam and Twitch Case Files number 7, cover A and cover B. Don't forget, $2.99 cover price. Scarlet number 5, cover A. This is the final issue of this series. Cover B. Cover C. Cover D. And the E cover. The Scorched number 34, cover A and cover B for that one. Transformers number 13, cover A and cover B. Cover C, a lot of cool covers for this. Cover D, we're almost halfway done. Actually, we are halfway done. More so, actually. Cover E, I like that one. Cover F. Cover G, the blank. Cover H. And the Qua variant. That's cool. Crocodile Black number 5, cover A and cover B. This is Boom Studios. I Heart Skull Crushers number 6. Minor Arcana number 2, cover A and cover B. Arcane. Monster High Halloween Special number 1, cover A and cover B. Of course, we're going to see some Halloween specials this month. Rocketeer Breaks Free number 3, cover A and cover B for the Rocketeer. Duck and Cover number 2. Gru number 2. Seance in the Asylum number 1. There's a bunch of these Star Wars High Republic adventure books, so I'll just show you those. Here is Echoes of Fear number 2 and Saber for Hire number 4. Here's a big book of the week, Absolute Batman number 1, cover A and cover B. Really looking forward to this. I talked to a friend the other day, they read it, so it was awesome. Do me a favor, check out Comics on Coffee, and just so you guys know, if you're going to New York Comic Con, they are an exclusive booth that will have coffee, the only place that you can get coffee on the show floor. So check out Comics on Coffee at New York Comic Con if you're there. I believe they got free coffee to sample, and they got all their bags of coffee like Batman and Superman. And it's good. Try it. You'll enjoy it. So New York Comic Con, Comics and Coffee. Awesome. Here is the Kirkham variant A and the Kirkham variant B for Absolute Batman. If you want to go to their website, you guys know Bueller code, you save 15% on all your coffee needs. So just want to point that out yet again. The Oliver variant, I really like that one. That's pretty cool, but his head's a little too small. The Scotty Young variant, nice seeing Scotty Young doing DC books. Action Comics number 1070, cover A and cover B. Cover C, that's kind of cool. Cover D. Cover E. Batman and Robin number 14, cover A and cover B for that one. Cover C. Here is the D cover and the E cover. We got about 2 minutes left here, folks. We're doing good. Cover is F, folks. Batman Full Moon number 1, cover A, another new Batman book. Cover B. Apparently this one's about werewolves. Cover C. Cover D. I believe that's a shiny one. Cover E. Batman Gotham by Gaslight Kryptonian Age number 5, I believe it is. Here is the B cover. Here is the C cover. DC vs. Vampires World War V number 3, cover A and cover B. Here is the C cover. Green Lantern Civil Corpse Special number 1, cover A and cover B. Cover C and cover D for that one. I think we got one more, the E cover with the white background. Kind of like those. Sandman, the Complete Shakespeare Collection number 1. RuneScape number 1, cover A and cover B on some independent books to close it out. The Autumn Kingdom number 2. Jesus, cover B. Yeah, I know, I'm horrible. The Toxic Avenger number 1, cover A and cover B. Nice. This one keeps on getting delayed because it's having trouble crawling out. Number 2, cover A and cover B. Hopefully we see what exactly it is. Here is Life. I don't know what issue this is. I couldn't find it, but there you go. Cover B for that one by Distillery. Tales from the Dead Side number 1, cover A and cover B. Your number 2, The Hunter from the Future. Murder Kingdom number 1, cover A and cover B. And last book of the week, what do we have? Let's take a look. We got Sanction number 5. Hey guys, welcome back. Hope we saw something you like I said, about 180 books, tons of good stuff. Our comic shop spotlight of the week, brought to you by Blackbox Comics, is Escape Reality Comics here in Tennessee, where I'm at. It's not too far away from where I'm standing right now. Looks like a really good shop. I'm going to try to hit that later today. And if you're in the area, check it out. I think you're going to enjoy it. But anyway, if you don't have Blackbox Comics at your comic shop, go ahead and ask them to order Blackbox Comics because they're in previews. Or you can go to blackboxcomics.net. Use the code Bueller10, save 10% on all your Blackbox purchases. Blackbox, there you go. Anyway, guys, like I said, I'm here in Tennessee. As you guys all know, with the storm that came through here with the hurricane, a lot of stuff has been shut down. So I'm just kind of taking my time. Some of the roads have been closed, and so just kind of waiting things out. I'm fine, but to everybody who's been affected and all that stuff, and God, it's just horrible, you know, when you see some natural disaster like that. So hopefully everyone is doing okay, and all your friends and family are doing okay in the area as well. So my thoughts and prayers go out to everyone affected. But on my end, I am good. So anyway, guys, do me a favor also. Last night, I did a live stream with my buddy John talking about the role of a comic book YouTuber. And go check that out. It was a good conversation. And John's a really good guy. He had a good perspective on it, you know, as a viewer of comic book YouTubers, and then now doing comic book YouTube videos with me. It's kind of cool. But anyway, that's all I got for you. I'll just kind of rotate around there. There's a hotel. That would be kind of nice. Wouldn't mind taking a shower. Sun is out. It's kind of beautiful here. Bucky's, and there's a big like, mining thing over there. And my dog. dogs right there. So, anyway, guys, that's all I got for you. Don't forget to live your best life. You know what to do. I'll see you next time.